Hello, here we are at Prizerebel. Let's see where we start. Earn surveys. Scroll down. You have your surveys, gold, SAMP, TAP, Say So, Peanut Labs, Market Cube, Innovate, Precision, OpWorld, you have your offer walls, Peanut Labs, Ascent, AdGate, Offerturo, Personally, Trial Pay, sorry, Revenue Universe, Radium 1, Driverless. You have your videos, Engage Me Video, Engage Me TV, Light Up TV, you have engraved videos, video loyalty, then you have your rewards. You have PayPal, Amazon, bank deposit, Visa, Dunkin' Donuts, Burger King, GameStop, Walmart, Best Buy, over here if you hit Prizerebel, over here where it says earn 13 points, when you hit 129 points or whatever they say there, you get 13 extra points in the day. More offers. This is your offer wall. Promo code, you could get that on Facebook. If you like what you see, I'll put my referral code down below. Thank you.